This is James landing a kingi.
This is James fucking playing a kingi out the kayak.
On his first drop of a live bait, which I felt very sorry for. We're at Titirangi Bay and it is very beautiful. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning.
Exactly, so here's the kingi.
And there he is. There he is. Oh wow. That's cool. Yeah, he's been a fighter. And he really doesn't want to hop on the boat.
Because he knows what's coming, he's going to be fucking dinner.
We lost the top part of the rod to begin with, which made the fight a little interesting. But we retrieved it back again. And now...
Right, can you hold the rod?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. And we just gonna try and get him on the boat. If we possibly can. Oh, he's not happy. How big is he, James? Oh, who knows?
It's dinner time, Ben.
There you go. He's a beautiful specimen, isn't he?